Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see working of our application which is personalized employee training. So our application recommends a personalized content material for various topics to the user based on the general preferences and users interaction with the application. So let's get started. So first we will register a new user in the system. Say John with developer role and password ABCD. So our registration is complete. Let's log in with the same user on. After logging, a user page will be displayed which will show the courses for which user has registered. So as we are new to the system, no course is currently there. So we will first register for some courses through this catalog. So this catalog has information about the course as well. So let's register. As you can see, register course is now displayed on the user page. Let's register for another course. So now by clicking on continue, we can start our learning of a particular topic. So let's start learning JavaScript. So as you can see, for first lesson, it has recommended a video for our newly registered user. So in backend, a separate model is trained for every user, which keep on updating based on user data, which is recorded, like the time spent or the click activity, and model accordingly trains itself. So as we spend time on this, it will send to the backend. So let's move to the next lesson. So for this lesson, as you can see, a online blog has been recommended. So as we spend time on reading this, it will get again recorded and sent to the backend. As you can see, uh, for the third lesson, it has again recommended a different blog, online blog. So for fourth, it has again recommended a different blog. So let's quickly move to the next. So as we can see, we didn't spend much time on those blogs. So it has again recommended us a video on which we spent a considerable time as compared to the blogs. So I think uh, let's see this for the different user, how this works. So let's say we have a user already registered with. So this user has already registered for several courses. So let's start with the same course, JavaScript. So as you can see, it has recommended an online blog for the lesson one for our already registered user. So as we for again this for this different user, a different model is being trained. So let's quickly move to the next lesson. So for this next lesson, again it has recommended a same blog, online blog. For third lesson, it has again sent a blog. For fourth, even a blog again. For fifth, again blog. Even for sixth, it has sent a blog. So now let's see the course path of this different user. So as you can see, for our first user, it recommended us a video. Yeah. So for our first newly registered user, it recommended a video. It then recommended a blog which can be a general preference by most of the user for that lesson. Then it again sent us the blog for third and fourth lesson on which we didn't spend much time. So it again sent us a video. Whereas for already registered user, it only sent the blogs. That means that model has been trained towards blogs, as in past the user had spent much time on that, and thus must be comfortable with this type of content material. So for different users, a different course path is